Jeremy here from 3D Infotech with another quick tip. I have this project of my block, and I am already pre-aligned to it with my probing device. And I want to show you this one setting that you may not be aware of called Feature Scanning Guidance. First, let me make some example features, such as this plane, that circle, this cylinder, and a few more planes. Now when I go to my scanner and start scanning, I'm going to go ahead and make one quick scan over one area. Now, a seasoned operator may know that they have enough data or insufficient data, and a new operator may not know this. So if I close and take a look at my existing data and the features near it, let me go ahead and try extracting them from my scan. And you'll see that my plane successfully measured, but my circle and my cylinder did not. And that's mainly because I actually have no data of the circles or the cylinder. So let me return back to my scanner. And let me start scanning again. And you may have missed it the first time, but in my 3D scene, I have this toolbar at the bottom of the screen. And at the very end of that toolbar, there's something called Feature Scanning Guidance, and it's currently disabled. Let me turn that on. And right away, you'll see all the features in my project highlight. Well, at least all the ones that still need more coverage. So let me go ahead and bring my scanner back in and continue scanning. So if I hover over this area and continue scanning, and scanning, and scan some more, and you'll see that one big plane that was previously highlighted in orange is no longer highlighted, which means I have sufficient data to measure that plane. Let me go ahead and scan this wall over here. And you'll see, even though it's shaded in blue, where I didn't scan at a steep angle, there's still sufficient data to reliably measure that plane. But what about these circles in that cylinder? Well, I'm missing the sidewall data. So let me go ahead and scan that at 4 different angles. Ideally 45 degrees into the hole. And once PolyWorks believes it has sufficient data to measure that feature, you'll see that the pin is no longer displayed. But let me go ahead and scan from a 4th angle to cover that one. And with enough scan data, you'll see that the pin is no longer displayed. So again, this little setting is only visible if I have Feature Scanning Guidance toggled on. Let me go ahead and close my scan session. And you'll see that my circle and cylinder that previously failed to measure now have enough data to measure it. And if I select these planes and measure them, I can confidently measure them knowing that I have enough data. So that was Feature Scanning Guidance. Thank you for watching.